Hi guys,
I'm Shauni.
and I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 11 lovely years.
Yes, indeed. And today, can my broken relationship be fixed? Maybe. It's a series, guys, and this one is
Lying. Yes, but before we get started, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, indeed. And we're going to talk about the topic at hand right after this intro.
Just scream in my ear, man. Just scream in my ear. Just get it.
Okay. Many people think that lying in relationship is no big deal. Okay? And especially if it's a small lie.
True.
You know what I'm saying? They're like, oh, what the problem is. Okay, but listen, for real, no matter if it's a small white lie or if it's a big red lie, a lie is a lie. And you are opening up the door for mistrust in your relationship.
Yes.
It's like, come on in and interfere with our relationship.
Exactly.
Get something home.
Here's my wife. Do what you want.
Right. Unbelievable. Okay, numero uno.
Yes.
The concealment lie is when you tell the truth, but not the whole truth. So help you God. If you are not telling the whole truth, you are telling a partial lie, which makes you a liar. Ain't no other way to put that.
The guy may say, or the girl may say, well, I was just a partial lie. Still a lie?
Still a lie. You know what I'm saying?
I get it.
I'm saying, so like, truth by omission is like, your partner asks you, okay, they're like, where did you go after work? And you like, I went to my mama's house. Right? But then you fail to mention that you stopped by your ex's house first. You know what I'm saying? Like, you left out a whole lot.
Lies by omission.
You left out a whole freaking lot. Stop with the bush, okay?
Yeah.
We go, hey, liars by omission, we are putting you on blast.
Exactly.
Right now.
We got to take out some errors and omission insurance. Get some E&O. All right, so next one is lies by understatement. This is when you downplay a situation so that you don't raise suspicion. You know, you get a text in your phone, you know it's somebody you're not supposed to be talking to, and you're like, you know, it's just a friend, it's a coworker. I don't know why they keep texting me. I ain't got what they want.
You unsure? You really unsure? Are you really unsure?
You're understating the situation.
Yeah.
You know, try not to raise suspicion because you know you're lying underneath.
Well, fast.
You know? You're still lying.
Fast. At the end of the day, you are still lying.
And then there's another example of lying by understatement. As when, let's just say a guy, he tells his lady, I'm just going to my friend's bachelor party, right? We're just going to a bar. We're just going to go to the bar and act a fool. But you fail to mention that the bar is actually in a strip club, and the act the fool part is where you making it rain all night.
Oh, good God.
With the rent money.
No.
You under peer pressure and making it rain with your rent money?
No.
You big dummy?
Bro, no.
Now you got to come up with another lie to explain why you don't have the rent money.
Bro, was it worth it? Was it worth it?
She got your money, and you can't pay your rent. You big dummy.
You big dummy. Was it worth it?
Lying by understatement.
Under man. All right, next. The deliberate lies. The deliberate lies is when you ask them a question about something and they lie to you like they owe money and they ain't got no goddamn job. Watch out to be out.
Exactly. Okay, so the next one is the exaggerated lie.
Yeah.
This is when they turn the truth or their thoughts of the truth into a lie. All right. Now, a perfect example of this is with a guy who sits there and tells you, "I'm really into cars. I'm really into cars."
Okay.
But in reality, all he does is look at videos of cars online. He looks at a lot of car videos. That makes him into cars.
No. You knew what you was doing.
And you're like, "Oh, he got a lot of cars." No, he looks at a lot of cars.
You're so stupid.
I'm really into investment portfolios. You ain't got no portfolio.
I cannot. That's just like when somebody tell you, "I like to travel on a date." When the only travel you have done is to your mama's house and to your friend's house back and forth to your house.
That's not traveling.
Ain't traveling.
That's commuting.
You knew what you meant when you said that, and it wasn't what you meant it for. What you meant to say was, "I wish I could travel. That ocean looks so blue on TV."
Just say that. And you know what? She might fall into that dream with you. Like, man, I like to travel too. I would love to travel.
Absolutely, bro. It don't. Everybody be so in the mood of they gotta exaggerate their life. Just let it be what it is. Okay, and then you gonna find somebody that wanna be there with you, and y'all gonna mess around and grow together.
Yes.
Huh?
All right, guys, coming up, part 2.
Yeah.